Let's be real. If you've got Wi-Fi, 2 spare hours a day, and a laptop that still turns on, you're ready to make at least $100 a day on Fiverr. No skills, no followers, no experience needed. Just a few AI tools that do 90% of the work for you. I'm not kidding. People are quietly building side hustles from home using nothing but ChatGPT, Canva, and a handful of free AI websites. And the best part? Every single service I'm about to show you already has sellers with over 1,000 completed orders, most of them total beginners. So grab your coffee, sit back, and get ready to learn 10 easy Fiverr services that even your grandma could run. Because when it comes to AI money making, Grandma's officially the new tech CEO. Service number 1, AI, thumbnail design. People don't click videos because of titles. They click because of thumbnails. A thumbnail is a silent salesman, and on Fiverr, you can sell that click. Type YouTube thumbnail into Fiverr search bar, and you'll find sellers making $500 to $1,000 a month from home. The secret? You don't need Photoshop or design school, you just need Canva, ChatGPT, and Leonardo AI. Ask ChatGPT to give me a thumbnail concept for insert video topic. Drop that idea into Leonardo AI with a prompt like realistic cinematic YouTube thumbnail, and watch it generate something beautiful in seconds. Then add the text and finishing touches in Canva, bright font, clear subject, clean layout, and you're done. Start at $10 per thumbnail and deliver within 24 hours. Want to upsell? Offer an A/B test version. 2 thumbnails for $15 so clients can test which performs better. Simple, fast, and profitable. Service number 2, script writing with AI. This one's a goldmine right now. YouTube creators, TikTokers, and podcasters are desperate for good scripts, and you can give them that with ChatGPT. Search YouTube script writing on Fiverr, and you'll see new sellers charging $25 to $50 per script. Open ChatGPT and use the YouTube script writer GPT, ask for tone, topic, and length, and boom, you've got a full script in seconds. Clean it up with Grammarly or Quillbot to sound more natural. To stand out, offer variety, Mr. Beast style, documentary style, or podcast style scripts. Clients love when you understand tone. Start at $15 and quickly raise your prices once your first few reviews roll in. This one is pure leverage. Your client spends hours researching and writing. You spend 10 minutes prompting ChatGPT. Service number 3, AI portrait or avatar creation. You know those slick profile pictures everyone's using now? The ones that look half real, half digital painting? You can make those. Thousands of Fiverr sellers are offering AI avatars and AI headshots for $10 to $30 each with hundreds of completed orders. The tools? Leonardo, AI, Blue Willow, or Ideogram. The process? Upload your client's selfie, write a quick prompt like cinematic portrait, professional lighting, 8K detail, and let AI do its magic. Offer 5 variations per client so that they can pick their favorite, and you'll instantly look more professional. Once you hit 10 reviews, bump your price up. People love the instant transformation, from Zoom meeting selfie to LinkedIn CEO. You're literally selling digital confidence. Service number 4, social media captions and hashtags. This one's ridiculously easy but so underrated. Every small business owner needs fresh captions. Daily. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, write 30 Instagram captions and hashtags for a real estate agent in Miami. You'll instantly get a ready-to-deliver content pack. Organize it in a Google Doc with sections like motivational, educational, and funny. Charge $10 to $25 per batch. Want to upsell? Offer content ideas plus trending audio suggestions for $10 more. That's just one extra ChatGPT prompt. You're not just selling captions, you're selling convenience. And once a business loves your style, they'll come back every month for more. Service number 5, ebook creation with AI. This one's a side hustle within a side hustle because ebooks are pure passive income. On Fiverr, sellers charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per ebook. All you need is ChatGPT, Canva, and Leonardo AI. Tell ChatGPT, write a 10-chapter guide on topic. Then use Leonardo to generate 10 matching images, 1 per chapter. Drop everything into Canva, design a clean layout, export as PDF, and boom. You've just created a full ebook in under 2 hours. Focus on evergreen niches like self-improvement or kids' stories or wellness guides. They're consistent sellers. Start at $30 per book, and once you've delivered 5 to 10 orders, raise it to $75 or $100. The best part? You can repurpose those same templates for new clients. You're literally building an assembly line of income. Service number 6, SEO, keyword research. Bloggers, YouTubers, and online store owners all need keywords, and they'll happily pay you to find them. On Fiverr, keyword research gigs are thriving, often pulling in thousands a month. Here's your setup. Use ChatGPT's SEO keyword generator or a free tool like NeuralText. Paste in a niche like home improvement, travel, or pet care, and export the keyword list with search volume and competition levels. Price it simply, $5 for 50 keywords, $10 for 150. Add low competition in your title. That's what people actually search for. Bonus, deliver the list with color-coded difficulty levels, green for easy, red for hard. You'll look like an expert while AI does the work for you. Service number 7, business or brand name. Ideas. This gig takes 5 minutes flat. Sellers are charging $10 just to brainstorm names. Open ChatGPT or Namelix, input the type of business, tone, and style. For example, modern luxury skincare brand or tech startup focused on AI tools. You'll get a list of catchy professional names instantly. Deliver 10 creative options, plus a short explanation of why each name works. That extra effort makes you stand out. You can even upsell logo ideas or domain name suggestions for another $10. You're not just selling names, you're selling the first impression of someone's dream business, and AI can generate unlimited ideas for free. Service number 8, product mockups. If you've got an eye for visuals, this one's gold. Etsy sellers, authors, and brand designers constantly need product mockups for their listings. You can use Canva or Placeit.net. Both have tons of free templates. A client sends their logo or design, you drop it onto a t-shirt, mug, or book cover mockup and deliver crisp, realistic images. Start at $10 and offer multiple views, front, side, lifestyle shot, to stand out. Once you build a small portfolio, raise it to $25 to $30. The cool part, you're not creating products, you're helping others visualize theirs. And that's something every seller values. Service number 9, translation services with AI. If you can copy, paste, and proofread, this gig's for you. Fiverr is full of buyers looking for English to Spanish translation, and you can offer that using ChatGPT or DeepL. DeepL is actually more accurate than Google Translate and sounds more natural. You can charge $5 to $20 per 200 words, depending on the language pair. Just paste the text, translate it, proof it quickly, and deliver in a neat Google Doc or PDF. Add proofreading and formatting as a $5 upsell, and you instantly double your income. And since translation is evergreen, it never stops being needed, this gig can run quietly in the background for months with steady orders. Service number 10, AI voiceovers. This one's blowing up right now, and it's perfect for people who hate speaking. Using ElevenLabs or Play.ht, you can generate ultra-realistic AI voiceovers in any accent or tone. Just paste the client's script, choose a voice, male, female, British, American, even celebrity style, and hit generate. Fiverr sellers are charging $15 to $50 per minute of audio. Add royalty-free background music from YouTube's free library, and you've got professional quality narration. Pro tip, offer bilingual voiceovers in Spanish or French. The competition is lower, and clients pay more. Whether it's for YouTube intros, podcasts, or audiobooks, AI voiceovers are one of the most scalable Fiverr gigs out there right now. So there you have it. 10 Fiverr services that literally anyone can start today, powered entirely by AI. No design degree, no writing background, no expensive gear. You just need curiosity and a few hours of consistency. The key is to start small. Post 2 or 3 gigs today. Fiverr rewards momentum, not perfection. You'll get buried if you never post, but once you publish a few gigs, the platform starts testing your listings in search results. After your first review, that's when the snowball starts rolling. Suddenly, one order turns into 10, and 10 into 50. And if you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial showing how to set up your Fiverr gigs, from writing your bio to ranking on page 1, comment Fiverr AI down below. Because let's face it, if your grandma can run a Fiverr business using ChatGPT, so can you. I'm the Side Hustle Professor, helping you use AI to make money smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.